All right, guys, we got a video recording. What have you been up to so far at East Park?
We set up a tent and cooked some sausages, and I ate some, MRE.
And we started a big fire.
Yeah,
Whoa, it's huge.
We got a bow
And
here.
there's our
We
tent.
got a random bow that was in our car.
A random one.
Yeah.
Here, Enoch, you want to put your poker down?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's get a memory of me making you and I Sanka. Put that down on top of the cooler. You recording?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What the?
All right.
My sausage falling over there.
Fell, because you're playing with it. That's what happens if you swing it around.
I was trying
You
to-
spent so much time cooking.
Well,
You better find it so bears don't come eat us. Go find it so you can throw it away. Hey, get a recording of Eli eating his sausage.
Whoa, Eli. You have, the Iron Mouth. Dr. Iron Mouth.
Hey,
milky sausage.
okay, it's time for that thing to go in the trash.
Well, if I could just, instead of sausages, how about I have something else for you? Because I'm probably not going to have any more.
Probably should have cooked a little bit more water.
What's all this black stuff?
I gotta stir the Sanka.
Oh, yeah, get a close up of all that black.
I doubt this is gonna cook very quickly. Let's see if we can cook a little bit more.
Hey, isn't that gonna
And
still
another
attract
close
bears?
up.
Because bears could smell it, you know.
Yep. Bears love people food. All right, guys, this will be loud.
Well, are we gonna still get eaten by bears?
I hope not. All right, put your poker down on top of the cooler, Ezra. Don't throw it.
Yeah, because
Clean it up later.
I'm probably not gonna have any more food.
You all full? No s'mores?
Well, I want a s'more. I want a s'more.
Hey, put that plasticware.
Well, at least I want a s'more. Can I have a s'more?
We'll do those when it gets a little bit darker.
Well, I'm just gonna not make any more milky sausages.
That's good. Milky sausage. Just
Oh,
sounds
yeah,
so
Mom,
gross.
we ate some Funyuns. If you're watching this, we ate some Funyuns.
Don't tell Mom.
Too bad I did.
There they are.
So, Mom,
Oh, yeah.
are they on?
Anyways, Mom,
We
here's your
have
favorite.
marshmallows the size of
food.
a human head.
Oh, yeah, in human-sized marshmallows.
Human size. And human shaped.
Anyway,
Hey,
Ezra,
Ezra, give me that.
Ezra, don't act like a total dork on TV. Anyway, let's zoom into Ezra's ear to see if there's any earwax. Okay, don't move. Just dark.
Pull out the marshmallows.
I will do that in a little bit.
Oh, I'm definitely not gonna have any more food.
Put this in the trash.
So you don't want a s'more?
I do.
Well, a s'more counts as food.
Well, I'm probably gonna have. I'm just gonna have. Can I have one more sausage? Because I promise I won't make a mess.
Why don't you just eat it without them? So you can know for sure that it'll be edible. Or did Enoch eat the last one?
No, there's one left,
They
I
got something
think.
here? Yes.
Yeah, one
Hey,
left.
Ezra, it's your last chance.
Okay, I think that's enough of this video.
All right. More to come later, perhaps.
Yeah.
Oh wait, how do you
tomorrow
stop it?
We're out in the field. Yeah, we're out in the field. Beautiful lake. And we're going back home. We're gonna watch Shrek 2. Yeah. Yeah. We ate s'mores from the other episode. Yeah. And other stuff. Yeah, and we did some other stuff. And they looked in my ear.
They looked in your ear?
Yeah, look at my ear. That was the weirdest part. Yeah.
Okay.
It is. And also, Enoch, what do you have to say for yourself?
We're gonna watch Shrek 2 when we get back.
Trap what? Yeah. Who? Okay. Enoch? I'm so out of color. Hey, why did somebody steer out a car? Our stuff, yes. Where's my green? Where's my creeper stuff? Ah, there he is. Oh, hey, you have a roommate. This is my roommate. This is my roommate. A creeper. It's a short creeper.
I don't care.
This is my roommate. This is a rabbit.
Stop talking.
Somebody left the bucket here. Hey, look over there.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool.
Hey, let's go into that secret trail.
No secret trails.
Look,
Just the main trail, so we can keep seeing the lake next to us. Or the pond.
we found a secret. That's our secret structure. That's the common structure. So we're getting close to the Cowman base.
Yep.
We just need to walk with the silent forward to go get to the Cowman base.
The Cowman base?
Yeah. They're gonna get us because they're because we stole their chocolate milk and their last chocolate cow. Their last brown cow. And it's not any ordinary brown cow. It has brown milk. And it can never die.
And we're in their maze.
And the Cowman got
Oh, this is their maze.
No, it's Silent Forest.
Right there.
No, we just that was
Don't you see right there? One of their structures.
and we go off.
They have a lot of structures, Israel.
Oh, there's
That wasn't their main base. Their main base is
Yes, the Cowman base.